Hi, in this video we will learn how to define variables in a row or column in different ways, and how to extract specific variables. Let's start with how to create variables in a row or column. In the following way, we can decide what is the first element in the array, the last, and what is the size of the step. If the number of elements in the array is important to us, with the help of the linspace function, we select the first element in the array, the last element in the array, and the number of elements in the array. When we want to extract an element from an array, we will use round brackets. If we want to extract some elements from the array, we can use the following way. We will select the position of the first element, and the position of the last element. If we want to extract several elements, but in steps, we can use the following way. If we don't know the position of the last element, we can just write end. If this video helped you, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Click like, and tell me in the comments below what you think of the video. Thanks. See you next time.